Big news today for Samsung fans in the US. The One UI 8 beta program is officially live, and if you've got a Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, or S24 Ultra, you can jump in and try it out right now. This new beta is based on Android 16 and comes with firmware version S24 UU4ZUA3. The download size is around 3.25 gigs, and it even includes the August 2025 security patch. That's a pretty big update packed with new features and improvements. Now, if you want to sign up, it's pretty simple. Just grab the Samsung Members app from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store, log in with the same Samsung account tied to your phone, and look for the One UI 8 beta program banner on the home page. Tap that, register, and you're in. Once you're registered, head over to Settings, Software Update, Download and Install. After it downloads, just hit Install Now, your phone will reboot, and boom, you're running the beta version of One UI 8.0. A quick heads up though, if your Galaxy S24 is your daily driver, I don't recommend jumping into the beta just yet. Like most early builds, it's going to have bugs, glitches, and maybe even some performance issues. This software is mainly meant for testing, so be prepared for a few hiccups. And if you do install it, make sure to send feedback through the Samsung Members app so they can iron out the problems before the stable release. Oh, and for those wondering, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 haven't gotten the One UI 8 beta in the US just yet, so sit tight if you're rocking one of those devices. So, are you planning to install the One UI 8 beta on your Galaxy S24, or are you waiting for the stable release? Let me know in the comments below. Big news, Galaxy fans. The wait is almost over for S23, Z Fold 5, and Z Flip 5 users. Samsung has officially reconfirmed that the Galaxy S23, Galaxy Z Flip 5, and Galaxy Z Fold 5 will join the One UI 8 beta program in September 2025. This follows an earlier August 2025 announcement that the company would expand the One UI 8 beta to more devices, including these flagship models. For weeks, many users wondered whether the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy Z Fold 5 would make the September beta cut. And now Samsung has put those rumors to rest. A Samsung spokesperson has verified that both devices are indeed eligible for the beta, and the rollout will go ahead as outlined in the previous press statement. One UI 8 comes packed with fresh features and refinements for Samsung phones, delivering smoother performance, refreshed interface designs, and upgrades to existing tools. Through the beta, users can explore these additions ahead of the public launch and share valuable feedback to shape the final software. Although Samsung has not revealed an exact date for the One UI 8 beta release, the company emphasized that updates will arrive swiftly. It also expressed gratitude to users for their patience, assuring them of its ongoing commitment to enhancing the overall experience. With a beta window opening soon, Galaxy S23, Z Flip 5, and Z Fold 5 owners are just days away from experiencing One UI 8 firsthand, giving them an early taste of all the exciting changes on the horizon. Stay tuned for more updates. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section.